Welcome to Kiddos A to Z. Hi kiddos, let's learn how to write the letter.
A. Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! A is for apple. B. Ba.
Well done!
Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! B is for ball. Whee! C. Cup. Woohoo! C is for cat. D. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! D is for dog. Whee! E.
Well done!
Fantastic! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! E is for egg. F. Good job! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! F is for flower. Whee! G.
Well done!
Great! Woohoo! G is for giraffe. H. Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! H is for helicopter. I. Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! I is for ice cream. Whee! Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. J. Woohoo! J is for joker. K.
Well done!
Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! K is for kangaroo. Whee! L. Good job! Woohoo! L is for lion. Peekaboo! 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 M.
Well done!
Perfect! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! M is for mouse. N. Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! N is for nest. O. Woohoo! O is for orange. Whee! P. S. Woohoo! S is for sun. T. Good job. Woohoo! T is for turtle. U. Woohoo! U is for unicorn. V.
Well done.
Woohoo! V is for violin. W. Good job. Perfect. Amazing. Woohoo! W is for whistle. X.
Well done.
Amazing. Woohoo! X is for X-ray. Y. Good job. Great. Woohoo! Y is for yak. Z.
Well done.
Amazing. Woohoo! Z is for zebra.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next video. Thank you.